Are you a frequent credit card user making high-value purchases on a regular basis? You might be unaware, but your credit card transactions are under some level of tax scrutiny. Here in this video, we will discuss more about income tax on credit card transactions and how to avoid an income tax notice. But first we need to understand what type of financial transactions comes under the radar of tax authorities and how to keep a tab on your high-value deals. What is high-value transaction in credit card? High-value transactions refer to those financial transactions that cross a certain limit set by regulatory authorities. The Income Tax Department closely monitors these transactions due to their susceptibility to exploitation for money laundering and terror funding. What is the maximum amount you can spend with a credit card without attracting income tax scrutiny? There are no specific rules for credit card spending, but banks are required to report high-value transactions to the Income Tax Department. Financial institutions are required to report any transaction above 10 lakh rupees using Form 61A. Additionally, the Income Tax Department requires individuals to report high-value credit card transactions in Form 26 as to Income Tax Department. The tax department then scrutinizes these transactions to ensure individuals have correctly reported credit card transactions and other financial activities in their income tax return. Income tax implications of credit card transactions. An important aspect to consider is, you should not exceed your spending limit, as the Income Tax Department is monitoring all credit card transactions. Your credit card details are linked to your PAN card, and all your expenses are electronically tracked by the government. As per IT rules, high-value transactions must be reported during income tax return filing. How can you save yourself from an income tax notice? As discussed in the video, there are several advantages one can avail in a credit card, but it is also important to be very careful with spending to avoid tax notices. The Income Tax Department's notices are usually issued based on the data recorded from the banks or other institution. To avoid such notices, taxpayers must ensure that their tax returns are filed on time and declared income in the ITR matches the information in Form 26 as.